Hello kids, let's start our today's topic. Okay, here complete sentence with correct weather. So this is a picture of sun. So the weather is summer season, or we can say summer weather is sunny weather or summer weather anything. Okay, in summer we used. Okay, I'm writing here season also. Okay, in summer season we use sunglasses, hat, AC, and we love to eat pineapple, drinks juices also. And this one is a picture of cloud and raindrops, so it signifies this is a rainy season or rainy weather. Okay, writing rainy. Then in rainy season we use umbrella, we use raincoats, and we use gumboots to keep our feet dry and safe from the mud. Okay, then this is a picture of snowman and some Christmas tree, and this indicates the season of winter season. Okay, then in winter season we use muffler, globes, cap, woolen caps, all woolen items we use. And this is a picture of flowers, and the weather is spring weather or spring season. At this season, the temperature is perfect, and everywhere we can see flower and green trees, and we enjoy our ice cream. As the okay, now come to next. Circle the object that we cannot touch but we can see. Here, first we'll circle the picture which we cannot touch. Star we cannot touch. Moon we cannot touch but can see. Sun also the same we cannot touch. And the cloud also we cannot touch, only we can see. So we'll circle that one. Here rest pictures: apple, flower, and strawberry. Apple, flower, and strawberry we can see and we can touch. Then next match the picture with their taste. First picture is the picture of mango. Mango is sweet in taste, so we'll draw a line from the word sweet to the picture. Then next picture is a bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is taste is bitter. Okay, then next picture is a picture of a lemon. Lemon is sour in taste. Okay, then draw a line here. Then this one a picture of French fries. We all love French fries, and this is salty. So we draw a line salty to French fries picture. Okay, then comes to next part. Next activity is watch the animals with their home. Okay, first picture is of a fish. And fish lives in water. And we can say it's an aquarium. It may be aquarium, it may be sea, it may be pond, it may be river. Okay, this one a picture of dog, and dog lives in kennel. Okay, then this one a picture of hen, and hen lives in coop. Then this one but bee, and bee's house is beehive. You can say hive. Okay, this one a picture of ant, and lives in hill. Okay, ant hills also we are saying ant hill. This one is a picture of rabbit, and the rabbit lives in burrows. Then this one is a pig, and pig lives in sty. Okay, then comes to next activities. Then this one is match animals with their younger ones or their kids. Okay, then the kids of sip page is a sip, and says is a lamb. So we draw a line from sip to lamb. Then dog's younger one is pup or puppy animal. The pig younger one is piglet. Hen's younger one is chick. Okay, horse younger one is Paul. Okay, then tiger, lion, and bear. Everything younger one is cub. Then monkeys is infant. Draw lines match. Then here find the body parts from the given grid. Here I have written the some letters, and we'll find out the body parts from here and circle that one. Okay. And first I'm searching here. Here leg. Leg, leg. Okay, the next body part is written arm, ARM, arm. Then next NECK, neck. Then next one is we'll search NOSE, nose. We can smell with our nose. Then this one is hair, HAIR, hair. Then next one is eye. We can see things with our eyes. Okay, eyes help us with. Okay, then comes to next part. We'll see. Okay, fill in the blanks and here the body parts and its usage. Okay, I see your fill with my eyes. I see. So I write here see. Then next one is I taste with a nose. We can smell with our nose. So we write here smell. Smell good food. Smell flowers. Okay, I taste with my tongue. I can taste. We love here we can. Okay, tongue. Write here taste. Then I taste with my ear. Is here. Okay, then write the non-living NL for non-living and L for living from the given below pictures. Okay, the living things are that can grow and move easily, okay, or move from one place to another, or depends on food, water and air. And non-living things are the never alive things or cannot move. Okay, here trees living, book is non-living, cup is non-living, fish is living, bee is living, cup cannot move, or that's why cup is non-living. Okay, the things that can grow or move are living, and that cannot move or that are not was never alive are non-living. Here match the rooms as per their uses. Cook, we cook in kitchen. Eat, we eat in our dining room. So I draw the line from eat to dining room. Then we sleep in our bedroom. So okay, then study in our study room and take bath in our bathroom. These are some rooms in our house. Okay, match will match as per their uses. And here match the people with their jobs, and also we can call them helpers. They help in us in our. Okay, then here milkman. Milkman gives us milk. Okay, newspaper man. Okay, he delivers us newspaper. So we'll draw a line here. Then cobbler mends our shoes. And greengrocer sells vegetable to us. Then electrician who install and repair light. Okay, then farmer crops the grains for us and grows the grain. And carpenter makes furniture for us. And safety things at homes. We should follow all these things while we are staying at home. So what are they? Stay away from hot or cold. Hot objects, because if we touch hot objects we'll get hurt. Then what? Walk carefully on the dry or wet floor. And wet floor, because if we are in hurry, and then this chances of falling is there, will fall down. Then stay away from soft or sharp objects, because we can chances of getting hurt is there, will get hurt. Then stay away from wires and sockets. Okay, then avoid desks, the shelves and tables. Avoid climbing, thus because we may be chances of falling is there, that's why we should avoid to climb the tables and shelves.